Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Dorsanee Hair, and they sent me their very beautiful, very luscious curly hair. This curly hair is in the color 4 and 27. It is so beautiful, guys. God, guys, can you see the color on this curly hair? Guys, just look at how the color is popping. And it is a closure wig, by the way, 4x4 closure wig. It has combs inside. It also has the strap that will help to secure your wig. And then I went ahead to use my Ebin Lace tint spray just so it blends with my skin, because it didn't really blend with my skin, so I had to make it blend with my skin. And then I went ahead to style my wig. I added some mousse to my hair. I diffused my hair. I think the remaining part of the video is quite self-explanatory, to be honest. I just did justice to this wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous and absolutely beautiful. Guys, look at how beautiful this wig became after diffusing it. The hair is so luscious. Guys, just look at the color on this wig. The color is just what I love. And I went ahead to style the wig on my head, use some got2b spray, did my baby hairs, and that was all I did. So guys, this beautiful hair is from Dorsanee Hair. This is the packaging of the hair, like I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. And this hair is their 4x4 curly lace closure wig, and it is in the color 427. So this is the hair, and it is 20 inches. So this is let me stand up and show you guys. So this is where a 20-inch hair is reaching me. So guys, this is how the hair is looking like. The hair is absolutely beautiful. This hair is giving Beyonce vibes. It's giving Ciara vibes. I love this hair. It is absolutely beautiful. I am in love with the color, and I love how the hair became very full. Although this hair is very lightweight, but after diffusing the hair and all that, it became really full. As you can see, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. This hair came with an headband, so I'm not really sure what to do with this headband, but I'm gonna try to do like a style, show you guys how you can style your wig. Okay, so I'm just going to, I'm not sure if this is right, but let's see if it's going to work. Okay, so guys, I put my hair in a middle part, but you can decide to put your hair in a side part if you want to. So I'm just going to take my hair to side parts. I want to switch to a side part. Let me see what it is going to give. This is the hair in side part. You can decide to like style your hair in a side part, or you can decide to style it in a middle part, whichever one you want to. But this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is giving Beyonce, it is giving Ciara vibe. Guys, this hair is very, very lightweight and it is so comfortable on the head. I love how fuzzy and full the hair can be, and it is just 180% density. This hair is lightweight on the head if you are not someone that loves heavy hair on your head, but this is absolutely beautiful and absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to take my hair back to center parts because I love center parting. Like guys, I love center parting. Dorsanee Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. And guys, please make sure you check my description box for the full details of this hair. And if you also want to purchase this hair, all the links is going to be in my description box, so you all make sure you click the link in my description box and yeah, purchase your beautiful hair. And I promise you guys, you will not regret it, because look at how your girl is slaying. Look at how your girl is giving Beyonce vibes. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.